Hey there, ready for a little time travel? I'm Andrew Helbig, and this is my 1980s voiceover demo.
Coming soon on cable, your stereo and TV unite to bring you video music in stereo 24 hours. MTV Music Television in stereo. You'll never look at music the same way again.
Player 1, standing by. Power circuits primed. Are you ready to blast the void?
Now Tex Hex attacks with a new kind of evil.
My Skullwalker will stop you flat, Brave Star.
Skullwalker 3030 Brave Star and Tex Hex sold separately.
Are you ready? Because once you bite into a Three Musketeers bar, there's no turning back. Go on, lighten up with Three Musketeers, and let your spirits soar.
When you play the system with the most arcade hits, you're playing with power. The Nintendo Entertainment System. Now you're playing with power.